A box that says you're the one. Or a breakup box.
This is the Los Angeles County Office of Emergency Management. There is a riot occurring at the Walt Disney Studios in Burbank. Roads within 1 mile of the facility are being closed. Civilians must avoid the area at all costs. Do not participate in these riots as you risk injury and incarceration.
You go.
Oh. Go for the handful.
I need your arms around me. I need to feel your touch.
Baby, I'm tired of waiting. Go recharge your batteries, come back to me and make your mama proud.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the California Governor's Office of Emergency Services. Civilians in the counties of the greater Los Angeles area need to shelter in place immediately. It has been confirmed by the California Governor's Office of Emergency Services that every movie theater in the greater Los Angeles area is being targeted by riots. These riots have already caused massive damage and destruction to life and property. These riots occurring as an extreme protest measure against the release of Disney's new movie Snow White. This is an extremely dangerous situation. For your protection, seek immediate shelter and do not travel unless extremely necessary. If you must travel, call your local police department for authorization and stay as far away from any movie theaters as they are considered extremely dangerous hotspots. Repeating, civilians in the counties of the greater Los Angeles area need to shelter in place immediately due to mass rioting at every movie theater in the greater Los Angeles area. This is for your safety. All residents must seek shelter now.
Yet some seek to silence this stunning production.
It's RV Harvey.
Guilty as charged.
Good weekend in the RV?
How was the lake?
RV. Catch any walleye?
That's my bad. This is getting out of hand. All I ever wanted was to be the cool boss with an RV and a fun nickname. Now I have to know what a walleye is?
Hey, all that matters is that you bundled your RV and boat with your home and auto insurance.
And got great savings and coverage. Sounds like an expert outdoorsman to me.
I kind of overdid it with the decor, didn't I?
Way overboard.
Welcome to Bob's.
Thanks. I know your MV mattress has luxurious hand tufting.
The North American Aerospace Defense Command has detected a missile threat to California. A missile may impact on land or sea within minutes. This is not a drill. If you are indoors, stay indoors. If you are outdoors, seek immediate shelter in a building. Remain indoors well away from windows. If you are driving, pull safely to the side of the road and seek shelter in a building or lay on the floor. We will announce when the threat has ended. This is not a drill. Take immediate action measures. Repeating, the North American Aerospace Defense Command has detected a missile threat to California. A missile may impact on land or sea within minutes. This is not a drill. If you are indoors, stay indoors. If you are outdoors, seek immediate shelter in a building. Remain indoors well away from windows. If you are driving, pull safely to the side of the road and seek shelter in a building or lay on the floor. This is not a drill. Take immediate action measures.
See your true colors shining through.
And it's gonna be a party, a big celebration.
And you will find me time after time.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the California Governor's Office of Emergency Services in conjunction with the North American Aerospace Defense Command. The missile threat to California has ended. The missile made impact at the Walt Disney Studios in Burbank, California. The entire facility was destroyed, along with everything in a 10-block radius. It was found that the missile originated from the Democratic People's Republic of Korea. The leader of the Democratic People's Republic of Korea, Kim Jong-un, stated that the attack was not his fault, and that it was caused by a rogue group of soldiers in his army that wanted to support the backlash against the new Snow White movie. Only one missile was fired, and the United States will not be declaring war on North Korea. The civil danger warning issued at 5:26 p.m. has been canceled. The danger to civilians is over. Your government thanks you for your cooperation.